Yeah, hi friends. Today, welcome to my channel, Data Space 9. Today, I am going to explain how to encode the data in a data set. In this data set, I will show you the data set. Data set name is data, and here the data set contains a country, age, and salary. So this you can see this is the country column. So we need to encode this country column. So so we have two methods. One is the one hot encoder and label encoder. Using these two methods, we can encode the data. Okay, let's get on to that. I'm using the Jupyter notebook. So to write the code, taking new file. So we need to write a code. We first of all we need to import the libraries. Import so then after we need to read a file. This Excel sheet it is in CSV format. So we need to take a variable read underscore CSV. And coordinate CSV. So this is a command for command we written in this Python code. We just simply run this command and run this. So this is the data set. It can be displayed in Jupyter notebook. First of all, we need to take only three columns here. Purchase is not required. So one is the country, age, and salary. So first of all, we need to take df.ilog. This is the log, and we need to take dot values. You can see here we are setting the particular specific columns. We will use ilog function, and colon is nothing but total rows, and columns we are taking only the three columns 0, 1, 2 means country, age, and salary. So 0 colon 3 and dot values it will convert into the array. So simply run this command and execute text. So it will convert it into array format. So now we need to encode this country column. So for that we need to learn dot reposing import label encoder. So we are using this format, label encoder format. So using this label encoder, we encode the categorical data. So here the France, Spain, and you can see the country column. We can call it as a categorical data. So this categorical data we need to encode using this label encoder. This is the first format. So let me encode this categorical data. Okay, so I'm taking variable encoder. I'm taking X. So I'm taking this 0th column. So 0, 1, 2. This 0 column I am encoding. So that's why I'm setting the specific column. Dot fixed underscore form. Okay. just execute this command and then execute the variable. See, this country column France is taking 0th code, and Spain, it's nothing but it is France, Spain, Germany. These uh, country specific things has been encoded into the 0, and France is 0, it converted into 0. Spain, it is converted to second 2 number 2. So like this we can encode this data using this label encoder. Again we need to increase the increase the we need to use one more format. It is nothing but one hot encoder. So for that we need to import the library sklearn dot pre-process import one hot encoder. So there is one more library, so which we can use for column transformer. So we can use sklearn dot import column transformer. So for that we can use ct equal to okay. So we will use country column. We are country column, and we need to pass the parameters country column and yeah, country column. There is a format we can use check in column transformer. So this is a column transformer. So here we use the one hot border here. Then we will using the 0th column we are encoding once again. A reminder is going to pass through. So just you can execute this command. So it is showing country. Sorry, we need to write this bracket inside this bracket. So that's why it was giving error. Okay, now we can execute this command. Reminder. Let me check the syntax here. Reminder. Okay, and now we can exit. So you can check this syntax over how it is looking like. Just I'm checking. City, country. So let me keep in single quotation this country one. Okay, now run this. I'm deleting this one. Just I'm running this command. Okay, let me again re-execute. And then transform. Transform. Okay, see transformer format. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, here we need to write this column transformer here, so that's why it was giving error. So, so, so here, so we need to overcome the errors. We will check one more time the program. So this will be executed successfully. Now we can use x equal to ct dot put underscore transform of x, and then we can run this command, and then it would see this is a course 0212. It has been executed into another three columns. Means it is a high level encoding. So the one hot encoder is nothing but over over about label encoder. We are returning one more encoder name is one hot encoder. This is a high level encoder. So this is a encoding format. Have two formats. One is label and one hot encoder. Using these two formats, we can encode the data, the categorical data. So this country is a categorical data. We are encoding this data into the numeric members. So this is a way to encode the data in Python in data scientist. So please let me know if any questions. Please subscribe my channel. channel data space 9. Thank you friends.